There's no doubt the DJI Pocket 3 is a great camera system, and although it's primarily designed to be a handheld unit, there may be times where you want to either mount the system to other objects or mount other accessories to it in order to create a more versatile shooting rig according to your shooting needs. And if you fall into that category, then this relatively simple accessory will be exactly what you need: the TILTA Accessory Mounting Expander. TILTA are well known for producing high quality camera mounting accessories. We've seen the quality firsthand from some previous examples, and they seem to have done it yet again with their newest accessory for the DJI Pocket 3. In essence, this is little use alone, but the clue is in the name, a mounting expander, providing the ability to expand the Pocket 3 setup, and in that scenario it certainly delivers. Constructed from a solid block of aluminum alloy with a matte black finish sporting the TILTA branding on one side, the mount itself is incredibly strong, yet still very lightweight, which is important considering you don't really want your small camera setup to end up being too heavy to comfortably handle, but on the face of it, it looks quite simple, with all these mounting threads dotted around the place. Starting with getting it installed though, thankfully that's a simple affair too. No moving parts or clips to open and close here, although you do need the small handle expansion that comes in the package. With it installed on the bottom of the Pocket 3, which adds that single 1/4" 20 thread at the bottom, simply slide the unit down into the expander mount. Silicone strips on the inside of the mount ensure the Pocket 3 is cushioned into position and not marked or scratched in any way. Once all the way in place, rotate the bolt in the very bottom to secure the mount to the handle extension, using the handy key that's included in the package. And with that done, installation is complete. It really is as simple as that. The Pocket 3 sits in place completely secure. There's no wiggling out of position here, even under heavy vibration. Those with the Creator Combo edition of the Pocket 3 will be pleased to know the same is true using the battery extension handle too. Personally, I only really use this handle as a portable power bank to top up the Pocket 3 if need be, rather than keeping it permanently attached, but even so it can be secured in the same way, albeit creating a slightly lengthier setup of course. Irrespective of extension used, notice how we maintain access to the USB port on the rear. Handy for attaching an external power source without having to remove the entire setup from the TILTA mount each time, which is very useful. Also note how, again with either the short extension or the battery handle, we have access to the button on the front in order to quickly and easily release the Pocket 3 in a pinch. Again, this is very handy for times when you may have a larger setup, yet want to quickly remove the Pocket 3 for mobile shooting, or for access to the camera's memory card, which is covered when used with the shorter extension handle. Not such a bad thing though. Otherwise, irrespective of handle used, we maintain easy access to all other camera buttons and features, all nice and easy. In fact, saying that, you can of course still use the Pocket 3 as a handheld device. I actually found the TILTA mount made hand holding the Pocket 3 more comfortable, since it gives it some extra girth to really grip onto, and I found I did use it in this configuration quite successfully. However, the beauty of this mount comes with the extra versatility that's instantly added by means of the various mounting points now located around the system. So along with a wrist strap or tether attachment point on the bottom rear, we find a further two 1/4" 20 threads complete with locating points, making it perfect for attaching to tripods, selfie poles or other such accessories. In addition to this, we have a further three 1/4" 20 threads, again all with locator points, on either side of the mount. These mounting points are perfect for connecting the camera to various support systems or for mounting accessories like articulating arms to add accessories such as lights or microphones, or even serve as a secondary grip for more comfortable operation. The possibilities really are endless. If that weren't enough, we have NATO rails incorporated on either side too, again perfect for attaching additional hand grips or for attaching to other larger camera setups and accessories. So, while the added size makes hand holding more comfortable in its raw form, the beauty of this setup comes with the endless versatility thanks to the mounting points around the entire system, providing the ability to add or remove accessories, hand grips, rails and all kinds of items directly to it. Whether you choose to mount this as a B-roll camera to a larger setup or mount other extension arms and accessories to it, if you're looking for one Pocket 3 accessory that adds endless mounting and expansion possibilities, this TILTA Accessory mounting expander is certainly worth a look and is an incredibly useful piece of kit to add to your Pocket 3 setup.